We're making potato fries in air fryer. I'm going to use the slicer, peeler. Slices roughly half a centimeter, 1 centimeter, not too thin. Something like this. I chopped all potatoes. Put your potatoes in a bowl. A little bit of oil, just a little bit. Cover with cling wrap and we will put in a microwave. Potatoes have been in microwave for 10 minutes. They pre-cook nicely. And didn't stuck to each other. Leave to cool down roughly for half an hour. Just cover and leave a little bit space for steam to escape. Something like this. All like this. Now potatoes have cooled a little bit. I'm going to spice. A little bit of salt. Or salt to your taste. I will spice with black pepper. You can spice with paprika, chili, garlic powder. Be creative. Little bit more salt and black pepper. Put in air fryer. Potatoes going in air fryer 185 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Nice. Now I turn. And it will go back in the air fryer for another 10 minutes. Potatoes ready. Don't forget to put like. Thank you.